Hello children, welcome back to English language class, and today's in my class I'll be teaching you the chapter articles. Now first of all, what is an article? Okay, article refers to a, an and the are called articles. Now article has been divided into two parts, alright, that is indefinite articles and definite articles. Okay, now what is indefinite articles and what is definite articles? Indefinite articles refers to a and an. So where you use the word a and an are called indefinite articles, and definite articles is the. So the is refers to definite articles. Okay, now the rules, where to use all this a and the. So one by one I'll discuss the rules of using a and the. There are various rules in the articles, so some I have taken here. Like first of all, the rule number one, rule of using a. Now where to use a article? Okay, rule number one says use before a countable noun in the singular number beginning with a consonant sound. Now consonant sound you know very well, other than a, e, I, o, u, they are all refers to consonant sound. For example, the word example here, toy, t is a consonant sound here, so you can use consonant. For rule number one, you will use a toy. Another one you can see here, pen, p is also a consonant, so here also you can use a pen. So in this way you can complete rule number one and fill in the blanks in the articles. Okay, next one, rule number two. Rule number two says it is used before any word that begins with a vowel but in a pronounced with a consonant sound. So here rule number two says it begins with a vowels, alright, but pronounced like a consonant sound. Like for example, you can see here university. This u is actually a vowel. This unicorn and u is a vowel, but here u is not sounding like u in a vowel sound. U is sounding like y-o-u-u. Alright, so that is why we take the article as a university, a unicorn. So in that way you can complete the rule number two also. Okay, now rules of using an. So this one is completed. Now this one. Okay, rules of using an, where to use the article, second article, that is an. Rule number one says it is used before a countable noun in the singular number beginning with a vowel. That means here an is used before a countable noun, okay, and that begins with a vowel sound. Like earlier, here you have done with a consonant sound, now here it begins with the vowel sound. So only the letters which begins with a, e, I, o, u, so you will use the vowel, the article and. For example, you can take you can see here egg, e is a vowel, so you will write an egg. Apple, so here you will write an apple because a is a vowel. Now rule number two. Rule number two says it is used before abbreviations if the consonant begins with a vowel sound. Now any abbreviations but beginning with the vowel sound, so you will use what? The article an. Like example here, MP, M. Here the word M is giving a sound of a vowel. Okay, like you say apple, no? Like here it means MP is giving a sound of a vowel, that is why you use the article an MP. Alright, now coming to rule number three. Rule number three says it is used before the words beginning with a consonant but pronounced with a vowel sound. Okay, so here the same like just you have done in rule number two, here same way here rule number three is also. Like though the words this are honest, H is actually what? H is a consonant. but still here H becomes silent here. So it is pronounced like a R. It is pronounced like a honest because H is silent. So that is why it is giving a sound of a vowel. So that is why you will use the article as an. Okay. So that was indefinite articles, an. Rules is over here. Now coming to definite articles. Definite articles I have already explained you. The is the definite articles. Okay. Now there are rules of using the, way to use this article now. Rule number 1 says it is used before the names of a rivers. Now you can take an example of any rivers. Okay. So before the name of the river you have to use the word the. Like example I have taken here, Nile. Nile is a river which is the longest river in the world, which is in Egypt. So you will use the word the. Another is Ganga. So here also you will use the Ganga. Okay. Next one, rule number 2 says it is used before the names of a seas, oceans, gulf or bays. So you can use the word the as an article before all these names, like example Arabian Sea, Pacific Ocean. So you will use the word the in front of all these places. Okay. Next one, rule number 3 says it is used before the names of a mountain or ranges. So you'll use the word article the before the name of any mountains. Okay, like Mount Everest. So you'll use the Mount Everest. But here I have taken example the Himalayas. So you'll use the word the Himalayas, the Andes, in this way. Okay. Now rule number 4. Rule number 4 says it is used before the names of a famous buildings. Now there are various famous buildings all over the world. So in example I have taken here Taj Mahal, Red Fort. So in before this also you have to apply the article as the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal. Okay. Next one, rule number 5. Rule number 5 says it is used before the names of a holy book or a newspaper. So before the name of any holy book, okay, like Bible, Gita, Quran, so there also you have to use the. Example I have written here, the Gita, the Bible. The name, this is Telegraph is the name of the newspaper. So here also you will use the Telegraph. You can take any paper name, alright, like the Times of India, alright, the Dainik Jagran. So in that way you have to use the word the. Rule number 6 now. Rule number 6 says it is used before the superlatives. Like in a degree of comparison you might have read before also, alright, like superlative degree. So before the superlative degree also you need to apply the word article as the. Okay. For example, best is a superlative degree. Okay. Good, better, best. So best is a superlative degree. So here also you need to apply the. Okay. Now you can take any superlative degree. Alright. Like for example, strongest. So there also you need to apply the word the. Okay. Now these are all of the using of a and the. Now there are some places what you have to do, you have to omit. Alright, you are not supposed to use any articles. Now which are those places where you are not supposed to use any articles and you will just put a cross symbol in that places. Okay. So here are 2 rules I have mentioned here in this explanation. Rule number 1 says before the names of languages. Now if there is a question like means in a dash comes the languages after the dash. So you will apply the cross symbol. For example, here you can see here example, they speak Nepali at home. That means you will not apply any article here. Any article is not necessary here. So what you will put, you will just put a cross symbol like this. Okay. Another before plural countable nouns. So you see like in a sentence if there is a plural countable nouns. Okay. Like you have learned, no, singular, plural. Alright. So if there is a plural countable nouns, then also you need to put a cross symbol. That means article is not required here. Alright, for example, apples are grown in Himachal Pradesh. Now apples, see, apples is a plural form, but it is a countable noun, but you cannot put any article in this place. That means what you are supposed to do, you just put a cross symbol in this place. So in this makes the explanation of articles complete. I hope you have understood the chapter, and if still there are some problem or doubts, you can just contact me and we'll have a discussion in the chapter. Okay, thank you so much. Till then, stay safe, stay home.